Ah, another beautiful day in the universe. How's my favorite blue planet doing?
Oh, son, still taking care of all my little creatures. As always. How about you, Mars? I heard there's some interesting news from your region.
Ah, yes, Earth. It seems like your humans are very interested in me again. They're exploring my Jezero crater, thinking they might find signs of life.
Life on Mars? That's a big discovery. Tell us more, Mars.
Yes, Mars, we're all ears.
Well, Jezero crater is believed to be an ancient lake. Scientists think my frozen soil might hold clues about life. Your Perseverance rover started exploring it in February 2021. It's quite exciting.
And what have they found so far? Any signs of hardy creatures like your tardigrades, Earth?
Ah, my tardigrades. They are remarkable, aren't they? But Mars, do you think your conditions could support something similar?
Maybe. With all the radiation and cold temperatures, any life here would have to be extremely resilient. They've talked about searching for spores or bacteria deep underground where conditions might be more favorable.
And how are they searching for those tiny creatures?
Perseverance has an amazing tool called SuperCam. It uses lasers to analyze rock and soil samples from a distance. If it finds organic molecules or elements like nitrogen and phosphorus, they get a closer look. It's a very sophisticated operation.
That sounds amazing, Mars. You must be thrilled with all the attention.
Yes, but also a bit pressured. They only have room for a few dozen samples, so they have to choose very carefully. It's a big responsibility.
Don't worry, Mars. Even if they don't find life, they're still learning a lot about you. Your geological history, your climate, it's all very valuable.
Thank you, son. That's true. They hope to bring some samples back to Earth for further study. If they find anything, it could be as groundbreaking as discovering DNA.
That would truly change everything. Like when Copernicus showed that we revolve around you, son, it would make people rethink our place in the universe.
And if they don't find life, that raises other important questions. Are we truly unique, or are there places where life simply cannot begin?
Exactly.
Remember to subscribe to the channel to wait
consider.
for part
They've
2 of
even
the
talked
story
about
in the
the
next video.
possibility that life on Earth and Mars might share a common origin. Maybe some of your bacteria hitched a ride on a comet and landed here.
Sharing my spice raccoon? That's an intriguing idea. Imagine Mars, we could be long-lost relatives.
The family reunion across the solar system. But seriously, Mars, the possibilities are fascinating. Even if life didn't start naturally there, it could have been seeded from elsewhere.
And don't forget the methane in my atmosphere. Some people think that could be a sign of microbial life. Maybe alien microbes with a stinky aroma.
Whether they smell or not, any discovery would be momentous, and your exploration could help us better understand our own history.
It's all connected, isn't it? The more we learn about you, Mars, the more we understand our origins and place in the universe.
Yes, and who knows? Maybe one day we'll find life brought here by one of your rovers, Earth. It would be ironic if we discovered that we were the ones who brought life to Mars.
Yes. Hopefully the Perseverance mission doesn't turn out to be a $2.7 billion mistake.
Oh, that would be funny. But in any case, it's the journey of discovery that's most important.
You're right, son. Whether we find life or not, it's the search that matters. And it helps all of us understand a bit more about the wonderful universe we live in.
We're all in this together. The more we learn about each other, the more we realize how precious and unique each of us is.
Well said, Earth. Well said. Now, keep shining brightly and inspiring your little explorers.
Thank you, son Earth. Your support means a lot. Here's to more discoveries, not just about me, but about all the planets.
Here's to the journey.
And to the stars.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next journey.